Good morning, guys. It is Easter morning, and don't mind this, we're up super early so that we can catch Damien's reaction. And Baby Girls is still in bed. It is 7:13, and we're just up early because Damien usually gets up anywhere from 7 to 8. But of course this will be the morning that he gets up at like 10. But so I'm gonna shower and get dressed and everything afterwards. But the Easter Bunny came last night. Their baskets are out, and there's so many eggs everywhere. The Easter Bunny went crazy this year, so I don't know, we'll have to catch his reaction and see how he does. I have a feeling the Easter Bunny left some eggs down the hall from his bedroom, and I have a feeling he's just gonna run right over them. So we'll see what he does. This might be the last year Damien does Easter egg. Oh, it's gonna be the last year he does it here.
Next year will be in the trailer.
Yeah.
Behind the little trailer.
Yeah, this might be the last year that Damien has Easter here. And Bubba goes. Damien, good morning. You look tired. Do you want to go back to bed? Oh, Kyle's shutting his eyes.
He got up himself.
Do you want to get up? Do you want to go back to bed? No. He can't carry all his blankets in that.
Blankets?
Damien! What is that? Oh, I think you missed one. Look, look, look. Whoa! Damien, there's one down the hall. Look, look, where Daddy is. Holy.
Get there.
Okay, let's go into the living room. Go to the living room. Look at what's out there. Look at. Go look on the table.
Holy.
Wow, what is that? Pro.
Wow.
Hit it, hit it. Go like this, Damien, watch. Damien, look. Okay, wait, wait, wait. Come here. Come here for a minute. Come here. We'll get your basket. I know. Holy. Look.
Carry the basket around.
Yeah.
There's a hat.
Oh, look at that.
Candy? Look at a toothbrush.
Push it for him so we can see.
Watch.
Wow.
And some toothpaste.
Okay, okay, let's not get that everywhere.
Okay, go pick up your eggs.
Go get your eggs. Let's get some eggs. Put them in your basket. No, that's a small one. Not a big one. Where's your basket? That's a lot of eggs, dude. Happy Easter. I love you. Yeah, thirsty, huh? Good job, dude. Did you get a Paw Patrol chocolate? Yeah. Yeah, there's chocolate in there. You want it open? Well, only because it's Easter. Uh-oh, it's a little broken. Oh, careful.
Holy, who was it?
Who's on there?
Who's on there, Damien?
Marshall, Chase. Okay, I'm showered and my hair is straightened and I have to do my makeup still, but I am just editing a quick video of the kids' Easter baskets. You'll see that hopefully Saturday. You would have already seen it by now, but Kyle's just getting Michaela up. Damien is outside, and today is quite a busy day. We have our real estate agent coming to present 3 different offers, all in less than a week, which is crazy. We've heard of like places selling in a week here, but we never expected to have 3 offers. We had 8 showings in like 4 days, and we're actually supposed to have another showing tomorrow. And also we're going over to my parents' house for dinner, for Easter dinner, and my brother is coming. He is coming to pick up a few things that we don't want anymore and that mom and dad don't want anymore. We have like a gym set downstairs, so he's coming to pick that up today. And yeah, so it's a busy day, exciting day, crazy day. I'm just gonna show Michaela, oh, focus please, her Easter basket. Look at beautiful girl. You got a whole bunch of bows. Yeah, you did. You got some socks, some peep socks, some Easter egg socks, but Damien already took them apart, and some pretty bows. You see them? They're so pretty. And look at this big one. That's nice and bright, huh? She's not feeling good. We're all sick, so if my Easter basket video sounded horrible, that's because we're all sick. So she's not feeling too good, huh? I just did her physio. Happy Easter, beautiful girl. I love you. I'm just gonna put these away before Damien has them all over the place. And I gotta get her num-nums and her medicine. So I've been keeping her bows in, whoa, that's good, in like a wipe container. But now because she's got a lot, I'm gonna actually use the basket for her bows. There we go. Makeup is done. Kyle just took Damien over to mom and dad's, and he was going to help lift a mattress for them because someone bought it. So he's over there right now. It is 12:10 and our real estate agent should be here soon. I'm not going to mention numbers in this video because I'm hoping to have this video out this week coming, which is the week after Easter. So I don't want to put numbers in case everything's, you know, something's not finalized. But I will do a video on the offers that we got and go through them in detail and what we decided to do later on. So I'm pretty nervous. Anyways, he should be here soon and I'll give you an update after he leaves. Well guys, we are on our way to mom and dad's. We just finished. It is now 3 o'clock. The real estate agent was there for 2 hours or over 2 hours. And the reason being is because our house is sold. It's crazy to think that, but 3 offers came in and the one came in really good and we just accepted it. So we are just leaving Mom and Dad's to go back to our house to get the weight system for my brother. We were just kind of chit-chatting while when he got there. So, and Dad's with Dude and beautiful kid. Well, my battery's gonna die. Did you have a good day? Yeah? Did the Easter Bunny come this morning? Yeah, he came this morning and brought you eggs. Yeah. Who is that? You gotta blow your nose? Yeah? Okay, do you want to go get Kleenex? Or do you want Mommy to get it? You blow your nose? Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. You know what that means? Night night time. Now that it's 10 after 10.
Uh-oh.
Blow. Hard. Hard. Good job.
Nee, Gaga, nee.
Dark. Aw. Poor baby.
Ik voel me.
Hi, Miss.
Bekijken, ik voel me.
Yeah, Miss is eating food.
Pee, 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 pee.
Are the fishies eating food too?
Eat a foo, foo, foo.
Yeah.
Eat a foo, foo, foo.
Whoa.
Why?
Let's say off, Nanny.
Oh,
1 second.
my name.
I'm sorry. Ah, okay?
I.
Sorry.
Okay. So